Isang magandang Miyerkules sa ating lahat. BIANCA PAGDANGANAN and YUKA SASO plays round 1 of Olympic golf today and we have updates. Hello there, ito po ang iyong lingkod Benji Chodoro. Ako ay isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007 and I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. 1 year na tayo. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks, and if you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. We have a special report on Olympic golf, the Philippine schedule, and our financial news on Ali. At ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, the 4th day of August 2021, dito lamang sa the stock market today. Let's start. Our Philippine schedule today is on Olympic golf, and our very own BIANCA PAGDANGANAN and YUKA SASO are participating. So let's take a look at the updates. Nag-start po ito 6:30 in the morning Philippine time. Ang nagli-lead po ngayon ay si Sweden, si Madeline Sagstrom. 5 under par, nasa 12th hole na po siya. Ngayon po si BIANCA PAGDANGANAN is tied for 8th place. 2 under par, natapos na po siya. F na po yun nandito Finished na po ito. So 69 po yung round niya, 2 under par. YUKA SASO ay nasa... Tingnan natin, nasan ba si YUKA SASO? Kanina nakita ko na, pero medyo malayo yata siya. Okay, number 53, no? 3 over par, meaning 3 strokes above par. Nasa 18th hole na po siya. 74 po yung kanyang score, no? But I think she's still playing the 18th hole. Medyo malayo po si YUKA SASO at si BIANCA PAGDANGANAN is tied for 8. But first round lang po ito. There are 3 more rounds to go. Now, let's take a look at the Philippine schedule tomorrow. Kasi ngayon po, golf lang po yung nasa schedule natin. Ngayon, tomorrow is August 5. Now, so August 5 is golf again, round 2, 7:30 Tokyo time, that's 6:30 Philippine time. On 14:30, that's 2:30 Tokyo time, and 1:30 Philippine time is the men's flyweight semifinals featuring Carlo Paalam against Japan's Tanaka or Romei Tanaka. 1:30 in the afternoon po yan, Philippine time. Then after that would be 15:03. That's 2:03 Philippine time. That's men's semifinal middleweight. Yumir Marshall goes against Alexander Gaishina. Number 1 po ito sa mga bouts na nilabanan niya, no? So, let's cheer for our athletes. So far, yan lang po yung ating schedules based on the website of the Tokyo Olympics. So, let's now go to our business news. And our business news is on Ayala Land. Profit climbs in challenging times. Ayala Land Inc. on Tuesday said it generated 3.3 billion in the second quarter, over 16 times the 426 million income it logged year on year, as revenues also grew by 90%. In the April to June period, the company top line reached 24.3 billion from 12.55 billion. The pandemic continues to provide an extremely challenging environment for majority of our business lines, Ali President and Chief Executive Officer Bernard Vincent O.D. said in a statement. The company registered a 34% growth in net income to 6 billion in the first 6 months, while consolidated revenues improved by 19% to 49 billion. Property development revenues grew by 37% to 34.1 billion due to progress in construction and higher sales booking. The company said its sales reservations in the second quarter grew by 45% to 19.7 billion year-on-year due to sustained local demand, prompting a 26% improvement in first half sales reservation to 48.2 billion. Meanwhile, the reimposition of community quarantines affected commercial leasing revenues, which declined by 26% to 9.5 billion from 12.9 billion year on year. Okay, so that's our business news. Now let's go to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index and how it performed today. Okay, before we go to the PSEI, I would like to apologize nga pala, no? Yesterday, dun sa sound, no? I didn't realize na yung microphone na ginagamit ko ay microphone ng laptop, kaya hindi maganda. Kaya ito, nakakabit na po ako sa aking condenser mic, and I hope the sound is better, no? The PSEI gained 25.15 points or 0.38% to end at 6585.21. So tumaas po ang ating index, and as you know, the index is composed of 30 stocks, which is the cream of the crop of the stock market. So RSI is at 47.98. It's moving upwards to neutral, ano? 50 kasi yung neutral natin dyan. But our indicators, the MO20 is at 6597.62. So about that closing price or the ending of the index is just about the MO20, but we're not out of the woods yet. Mababa pa rin siya. Bearish pa rin po yung ating sentiment. If we'll take a look at the market activity, 115 companies advanced, 73 declined, while 45 remained unchanged. The all-share index also gained 0.46%, while all the sectoral indices are up, except for properties. And the gainers was led by, actually halos pare-pareho, services is 1.68% up. Properties lang po ang bumaba. Ngayon po yung most active. Actually, ito po yung panahon na naglalabasan yung mga financial reports, ano? And one of them, ang lumabas ay si Metro Pacific, which had an 84% increase quarter on quarter, or compared to the second quarter of last year. Yun po yung kanyang disclosure sa PSE. So let's review the top 10: BDO, ICT, Ali, ACEN, BPI, SMPH, SM, Ayala Corporation, LTG, and MONDE. So let's now start with BDO. BDO, okay, another gain of 1 peso 90 centavos or 112.90. RSI is already at 56, meaning that our indicators would indicate a bearish movement of the price, as our indicators are already under the candlestick, with our short, medium, and long-term indicators are below our candlesticks. So maganda po, no? Kasi 115 po yung resistance level ni BDO. Nandiyan po, 115 pala. And it reached a high of 117 at one point in June, ano? And then after BDO, one of my favorite stocks is ICT. Naku, nag-surge si ICT, 174.80. Actually, you can never go wrong with index stocks. Ito po yung magandang example, si ICT. Nag-dip lang siya ng konti and it held support at MA50, 156. Nag-hold support lang po siya dito, tapos dumiretso na naman pataas. So, na-priced in po ng market yung ECQ na that would take effect this Friday, and in spite of that, the stock market is soaring because of the good financials of most companies. So it gained 4.61%, and I think this is already the highest in a long while. Yan po, no? Ito po yung new high ni ICT, no? 174.80. And the 52-week high is the same, 174.80. So if you have ICT, congratulations. And then Ali is our news for the day, and nag-dip siya. Losing 50 centavos to end at 33.30. Ano pa rin po to? Bearish sentiment pa rin po si Ali with support at 32.50. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. ACEN is the next stock. Balang araw baka maging index stock to. Si ACEN at saka si MONDE. No, very active siya. So lumipad naman si ACEN, gaining 18 centavos to 848. So it's already bullish as our RSI is already 56 and our indicators are already below the closing price. And then after ACEN, BPI. Okay, BPI continues to be bearish. Yung ating MO100, which is at 84.26, long-term indicator po natin yan, ay still above our prices. Ano? So it lost 65 centavos, so end at 83.15. But the support of BPI is here. Area po ito, 80 to 81 pesos po yung support. Okay po. Then after BPI, SMPH. SMPH, naku, tumaas si SMPH in spite of the ECQ, but the market price this in already. Support is here at range po ito, no? 31 pesos, 31 to 32 pesos po ang support. But bearish pa rin po. At one point, the price made it to the 34.45 level, which is just above the MO20, but it again later on it retreated. Katapos po ay SM, ganoon din kaya, nag-doji siya, and it is a well, looks like a shooting star, pero it ended flat actually, just 50 centavos down. Yung surge niya in the past 2 days, nag-stop today, so maaaring nagko-consolidate lang po ito. Support is here at within this area, 218 to 215. 215 to 218 po yung support level. And then, Ayala Corporation. Okay, Ayala Corporation, naku, umakyat si Ayala Corporation. The closing price of 750 is just above the MA20 of 757. So mas mataas po yung closing, yung MA20, no? So nandun na po tayo, pero bearish pa rin po ang sentiment. Then LTG. Okay, LTG continues to be bearish, ended with a green candlestick, though medyo maliit lang po. And kung titignan po natin yung ating indicators, talagang pababa po yung kanyang mga indicators, except that here is that we are probably witnessing a recovery. So yung RSI po natin is oversold at 25.93. Pagka umabot po kasi ng 30 and below or less than 30, then the RSI is oversold, meaning that at any time soon the probability or the possibility of a reversal is there. Then finally, we have MONDE. Ito po posibleng maging index stock in the future. Uy, umakyat si MONDE at 15.58, gaining 58 centavos. And the price now is above our short-term indicator, the MA20. So, hindi pa po lumalabas yung blue line dahil wala pa pong 50 days from the time it had its IPO. But, on the short term, it is bullish since the MA20 is at 15.33 and the price now is 15.58. The RSI is also bullish at 53 or almost 54. So, nandito po tayo. Yung resistance level is at 17 pesos or within that area. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. August 4, 2021. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Let's cheer for our athletes. The golfers, the boxers, and yun po, yung dalawang yun. Ano? And we have a bright chance of a medal. And hopefully, we win the semifinal round and move on to the finals, wherein we are assured for a silver. But let's dream of the gold na maabot na po natin. Okay, thank you and have a good day. See you again in our next episode.